Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Access is denied often because you lack administrator rights on Windows. You must confirm whether you launched CMD with elevated privileges. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator to test. Some files reject access because you are not the owner or permissions are too strict. Windows logs errors like 0x5 and phrases such as access denied in CMD output. This slide summarizes why permissions and elevation are the first items to check. Use takeown and iCackle's commands to claim ownership and reset permissions. First run takeown/fc folder/r/dy to claim ownership recursively. Then run iCackle's folder/grant administrators f/t to grant full rights to administrators. These commands work in elevated CMD and fix most NTFS denial errors quickly. After running them, verify changes by running dir and testing file operations in CMD. If a file remains locked, restart and repeat commands in safe mode. When ownership and iCackles do not resolve the issue, repair system files next. Run sfc/scano to check integrity and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair image corruption. Check Group Policy Editor and User Account Control settings if permissions still block access. Consider disabling conflicting antivirus temporarily while troubleshooting. If a file is locked by a process, boot into safe mode to remove it safely. As a last resort, use System Restore to revert to a state when access worked correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.